Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Thanks for joining me and Happy New Year. Well, today we're going to be unboxing the Fisher-Price toy set, which is the really useful engines. Now it's 4 in the package, and I'd like you to come with us as we pull this open and see what's inside. Let's go ahead and unbox. All right, here we go. Let's get this open and see what's inside. This looks like a really nice pack. If you've been following the channel, then you would have seen Zizah getting excited about getting James for the holidays on his Christmas backyard hunt. So let's go ahead and pull this open. Let's get a closer look. Now we're a little bit late on this, but we still have to do it. For a moment there, we didn't think we were going to get these on time, but they came 2 days before Christmas, which really made me happy because I know he was looking forward to having James for Christmas. Now, when I went hunting online for James, it was during that period called Black Friday. But James was pretty much the same price as before, so nothing special there. But I kept digging because I figured I would find a better deal, and I came across this. I couldn't believe it. It was deeply discounted, and I just grabbed it right away because it really was only a few dollars more than what the single James would be. And here in this package is James, Thomas, Edward, and Charlie. Now he's never had Charlie and he's never had Edward, so I'm really looking forward to see how he responds to these two new additions to his train yard. But for now, he asked for James, and so for Christmas he got just James. Of course, it always comes with the instructions and some really nice ideas. So there they are. The motorized, really useful engine pack. Thomas, James, Charlie, and Edward. Now he's never had Edward and Charlie before, so he'll be looking forward to these two in particular. He had a Charlie before, the push-along Charlie. However, he decided that Charlie could fly. And on one occasion, Charlie flew to the roof and never came back down. So this will be a big surprise for him. Really nice and shiny and new. So that's what we've unboxed. These are our new trains that will join our train yard. A lot of Thomases, a new James, and the introduction of Edward and Charlie. Please remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Tell us what you think. In the meantime, have a great new year and we will see you in the next one. Walk good.